I have 10 absolute Amazon must-haves for you. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. If you're watching from your TV or iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen and it will take you to everything in this video. And always, nothing in this video is sponsored. I recently picked up this laundry room organization set and it's been amazing for keeping everything so tidy. The laundry pod containers hold a ton, up to 95 ounces, and the dryer sheet dispenser fits about 200 sheets, which is super convenient. I really love the wide mouth design on the detergent container. It makes scooping out pods, detergent, or powder so much easier, and cleaning or refilling is a breeze. The clear plastic is not only stylish but practical since I can easily see when I'm running low. What's great is that these containers aren't just for laundry. They're perfect for organizing things in the bathroom or pantry too. And the set comes with pre-made waterproof labels and spoons to give your laundry room an instant update. So whenever you see that green font, make sure you click the checkbox next to it so that you can save the most amount of money. These acrylic shelf dividers have been nothing but amazing for organizing my closet, and they instantly give it a more polished look. I love how effortlessly they help create neat, tidy stacks of clothes, books, towels, and accessories without taking up extra space. The thick, high-quality acrylic feels really sturdy, and the reinforced clips hold everything securely in place without damaging the shelves. Plus, the smooth edges are a nice touch. No more worrying about snags in my clothes or scratches on my shelves. If you're looking to optimize your space and style, these dividers are definitely worth it. And again, big savings going on. These are currently 15% up. I absolutely love my air fryer cheat sheet, so when I saw this Instant Pot magnetic cheat sheet, you know Mama had to get it. It has been such a game changer in my kitchen, with cooking times for over 100 different foods right at my fingertips. And as you know, we are a busy family with all 4 of my kids in their own activities, so fast, convenient, and healthy is the name of the game. The large, easy-to-read font and clear instructions make using my Instant Pot so much simpler. No more guessing or searching online. Plus, it sticks right to my fridge or hangs up easily, so I can always access it while cooking. There are also over 19,000 reviews on it. I've been testing out these resistant bands, and let me tell you, they've added a whole new level to my workouts. And these bands are perfect for anyone at any fitness level. If you're new here, I upload 3 to 5 home workouts every week on my other YouTube channel, Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. I have something for everyone, so make sure you head over there and like and subscribe for that channel so we can achieve our health and fitness goals together. The bands are super easy to use since the resistant levels vary, but the length stays the same, so no need to constantly readjust. The fabric is durable, and I love how they don't slip or roll during my exercises. Whether I'm doing squats, lunges, or glute workouts, these bands really help target those muscles. And right now on Amazon, there's an additional 5% off coupon. They also come in multiple gorgeous colors. I love this diamond Dazzle stick, and it's incredible for keeping my jewelry sparkling. It's so easy to use. Just twist the pen, brush over your jewelry, and watch it shine like new. I love how the brush bristles can reach between prongs and under settings, so even the smallest areas get clean. The travel size, which is about the size of a mascara, is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you love your jewelry to always look its best, this is definitely a must-have. It even makes for the perfect gift for anyone who loves their bling, and there are currently over 53,000 ratings on this gem. I needed a way to organize all my SD cards we use for filming, and this little card holder has been such a lifesaver. It's compact enough to fit right into the drawer of my desk or even slip into my computer bag when I'm working at the dance studio. The aluminum alloy shell feels super sturdy, and I love the added protection it provides with this airtight, dust-proof design. Plus, the capacity is impressive. It holds 6 SD cards and 12 micro SD cards, which is perfect for keeping everything organized in one space. The champagne gold finish gives it a sleek and classy look. Overall, it's a great storage solution for anyone working with memory cards. I absolutely love my Bag Smart hanging toiletry organizer. I take it with me every time I travel because it's super convenient to hang up. And for its small size, it can hold so many items. The separate compartments are perfect for keeping things organized. And the TSA approved transparent toiletry bag is a lifesaver for quickly passing through airport security. I love how travel friendly it is, especially with the stowaway 360-degree swivel hook that lets me hang it anywhere without slipping. The inner elastic straps keep my bottles upright, which helps avoid any messy spills. The double zipper compartment is a thoughtful design since I can easily access my stuff without fully opening the bag. Right now on Amazon, this toiletry bag is 11% off, just under $25, and it comes in multiple gorgeous colors and a variety of different sizes. I've been using these silicone toothbrush holders for quite a while, and they're still a must-have for hanging small items. They're not just great for toothbrushes. I use them to hang my microfiber towels under the sinks. I've used them to hang my charging cables, razors in the shower, and keys for the car. The self-adhesive feature is super convenient since you don't need to punch holes in the wall. Just peel off the protective layer and stick them on any smooth surface. They've been holding up really well without falling, even with heavier items. The silicone material is sturdy and doesn't leave any residue behind. So you get 6 pieces for under $10, and they come in multiple gorgeous, vibrant colors. I've been using this tote bag for a couple of months now, and it's been incredible. It's the perfect size for my busy nights at the dance studio with my daughters. I can easily fit dinner, a change of clothes, homework, and even tablets inside. The quality is impressive. It's made from high quality cotton and hemp, so it feels durable and sturdy. The retro embroidery is such a nice touch and makes it stand out, and the comfortable straps make it easy to carry, even when it's full. The oversized main pocket holds everything I need, and the small zippered pocket is perfect for keeping all the little things organized. This bag is a steal of a deal in my opinion. It's just about $38, and it does come in a variety of different colors. And before we get to the last item, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning. I'll link it in the description box below and pin it in that comment section, especially Instagram stories, because I post daily deals, #1 bestsellers, and hot giveaways. You're gonna love this portable Bluetooth phone holder and speaker. It's the perfect size to keep on my desk or toss into a bag for outdoor activities. We like to bring it to the pool because everything's better with music, right? Plus, my daughter loves using it to watch her dance routines. Now she can see her moves and hear the music clearly, even with all the background noise. It's super versatile and can hold a phone, small iPad, or tablet. The adjustable angles are a nice touch, and the anti-slip design keeps everything stable. Whether you're watching videos or just playing some tunes, this Bluetooth speaker and stand is a must-have. For all the functions that this Bluetooth speaker can do, it is just about $26, which is definitely worth it in my opinion. Are you signed up for the free newsletter? If not, make sure that you do. It's linked in that description box below and pinned in the comments section. We have got to keep the fun going. Click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.